creative friends, welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm doing my final update on the organic mushroom grow kit that I was showing you. So here we are on the final day. Well, it's not really the final day because they're going to continue to grow, but I can see that these things have pretty much reached several of them as big as they're going to get. Look how big they are. And so now it says when they get that big, just to pinch them off, you put them at the base of them and can twist them and pull them out. And I feel like that's going to release enough kind of, I guess, shade that it creates in there that those little guys in there are going to start growing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch a couple of these off. You can see where it kind of comes from and twist it off right there. There we go. There's one great mushroom. Let me get another one. See if it's in there. That little guy comes out right there. Turn that. Ooh, there it comes. This, oh, there he is. The big one. I had the little one, and they're little tough guys, those little ones. So what I'm going to do tonight is I'm making Salisbury steak, and I'm just going to saute a couple of these mushrooms. Get that guy out of there. There we go. There's that one. I'm going to saute a couple of these, and I'm going to have those with Salisbury steaks for dinner. So there we go. And then I will, oh, that one broke off. I will show you how I'm pretty confident that these smaller ones in there are going to continue to grow, and I'm just going to keep misting it twice a day. And there you have it, the organic mushroom grow kit that I would say was a success, and it was just kind of a fun little project. So, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.